Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna continue. Run it behind that. Underneath that. I'm not sure what here gets real hot, but I don't think that's gonna hit anything too bad. Oh shit, that needs to go down there. Okay, that'll probably just work just like that. I think that'll be fine. Anyway, it's now just time to reconnect all this. Well, it's running across here, so I don't know. You know, there's another power wire running underneath, directly underneath it, down here. So if that's running directly underneath it, why don't I just push this down by that, and if that wire's strong enough, then this wire should definitely be just fine. If you can see, I mean, I don't really know about gauges of wires and how bendy they are. This one doesn't bend very well. I know that just from experience from this one and because it's so big. Anyway, it's now time. As you can see back here, my phone's got this lit up. I'm just going underneath. I went through there. But you can see all the extra wire just sitting out. It's this protective thing may be too long. I may have to cut it down. But yeah, so I'm just gonna reconnect the battery for now and see what my options are for moving that to the back of the car. Now that I think about it, I bet the easiest way is just to run it under the carpet like I did the other wire and just run it back to the seat, and hopefully it's long enough. Then once I do that, I'm not even gonna film that. I'm just gonna test it to make sure it works. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a testing. I'll just record testing it after that. And I'm not sure how well you can see that where it's coming out, but it doesn't look too good anymore. It's a little punched out. I needed to have cut the hole bigger first, but I think it'll be fine. So, yeah. See you guys later for the testing video. Can't wait.